Hello viewers, welcome to Views and Opinion on MCCPTV, where your voice matters. Africa's public health system is arguably in a depressing condition. It is a system where preventable diseases such as childbearing, malaria and others kill people by the day, and yet our political leaders who are expected to equip our hospitals and make it compete with the rest of the world abandon it and go on medical tourism to advanced countries. And at the end of the day, we have our medical personnel who are supposed to be advancing to finding new cures on the state-of-the-art procedures to human health, wasting away in protests and industrial actions. It's noteworthy that the current administration, as part of its campaign promises, was to end medical tourism. But alas, they have become the biggest patrons to this lifestyle of shamelessness and insensitivity. So on this episode of Views and Opinion, we bring you the views of the people on the implications of our leaders traveling abroad for medical treatment. Don't go away.
Most especially why they travel for medical care is no more than, at least, they are afraid of our health system here. If assuming they are not afraid of our health system, they will have been treated themselves here. So because of they are afraid, that is why they don't want to treat themselves here. And we have good hospitals around which they can use. Traveling abroad, okay, like maybe so many hospitals are in Abuja. So many rich men there are also making use of the hospital in Abuja. Even in Owerri here, we have good hospital here. Maybe traveling abroad maybe simply means maybe they don't want anybody to know their secrets. Maybe they don't want anybody to know their secrets or the health status which they are. That is the reason why they don't want to treat themselves here. Traveling abroad simply means they go there for rest. Otherwise, if you go to Abuja now, you go to what they call it Cedar Crest. It's a big hospital. That is the place they even treat Buhari's son. The day he had an accident. I was there when they brought him. And all the whole major army which they brought, which they had a problem, maybe bone problem, all this thing from which they fought for Nigerian Boko Haram. That is where they bring them to. So we have so many big hospitals in Abuja there. So why, if any politician have problem here in Owerri, what is there for you not to just take flight and then go to Abuja to treat yourself? Why going abroad? Why we have everything here? So, but my own thinking there is that I don't think if they go abroad for medical checkup or for their assistant, I think they go there for rest.
To me, it's not right now when they know that there's no established hospital here. Is it not better they use the money they're using to go abroad, fly to abroad for treatment, than to use it and establish hospitals, general hospitals? As far there are a lot of towns, established towns, developed places here in Nigeria, they can use the money to open some hospital. That's how the country will be very known, and even other people outside, they can even be coming here for treatment and other things.
Well, for government all the government officials traveling abroad is very, very wrong, because they don't value the people they are ruling. Because if they value us, that treatment are taken abroad, they're supposed to bring it down here so that we can be able to benefit with them.
It's better for them to bring it in our own state, so that poor people will also attend the medical attention.
As they are doing it, we that are the pharmacists here, they will just be the ones that are suffering it, right? They are not the ones enjoying the money. They are using it to, even as they are going over there for their own medical, the hospitals over there are using that our money also to develop their own, while our own is just dying like that. So it's not good at all. I don't buy that idea of them going there. So let them bring in the money here, develop the ones we have here. We have many, like in this Imo State, we have many federal medical centers that they built just like that. Many of them are filled with weeds and other things. So they just abandon it for years.
We don't like how Nigeria is, like, from an example, like now, about health or education. Okay, see youth. You can see youth. Couple of gụchaa n'akwụkwọ enweghị ike inye ya ọrụ. There's no work. Okay, let's see our health center. Just enter there. You can't see even a single, even para there. But how a problem? I just fly out. One of them, as you see me, I'm very, very annoyed concerning this government. Agamashe, ka ihe niile onye ọwụla youth ma ndị ọwụla onye ọwụla wekọta aka just ka mara ihe nwere ike ime stop going head na across that side ka ihe niile nọ within this our area ka mara godo onye area warrior otu oge esi gafee ebe a jejegwo which means anyị nwa na ebe a na-ejizi ego anyị na-agbarizi ya na-aga ebe a which means anyị wee full that's anyị rewazi ọrịa ka anyị nwụzie ọhịa ọpụtaziri ebe mmadụ ga-abịa onye iji mere onye isi ga-ajọs bịa doziele gị obodo gị dozie ya na ihe na-esi n'ala anyị apụtawa ego anyị. Nigeria has money, we have money, yes anyị nwere ego. Okay, where is the money?
Solutions to it only that they have to bring every equipment, everything that will make people to have that treatment here. They have to come here, or let's put a ban that no government official shall travel abroad again. Whatever any sickness they have to treat it here. So let's put a ban on it. Before one should travel, he should give us why he should going to travel, not for medical treatment.
Because there are some people now, when they have a very bad condition like treatment, like surgery, and the doctor may tell them that they need to travel outside for the treatment. They may not have the money because they will have to pay visa, tickets, they have to do their passport and other things, and they may not have the money to get those things. So it's better for them to get the hospital here. So it will be very easy for the citizens here in Nigeria to do their operation and other things.
If maybe the Senate, they can look into it, then restrict every traveling of as a medical care traveling. It will be good. If anybody, when you are sick, come to we have better hospitals over here. Just that many of them they have no equipment. They should stop every time. This one I'm traveling to take care of it. This one has traveled. This one the president traveled for this one. This one traveled. So it's not good. Let them use the money here and develop the hospitals here. So they should restrict every traveling for any medical assistance abroad. They should bring it over here and develop this one.
Because they have money to go there. Why can't they bring it this side so that poor people they can save people's life? Because some people do not have money to fly outside the country to treat them, to treat themselves or to take care of themselves. Because they have money, so they can fly anytime they want. So let them bring the medical attention this side so that poor people or people do not have money will also attend to them.
See, the problems Nigeria today, war na okwu ụtọrọ ndị isi anyị na abroad. Igota. Or your problem I want it today. She stop going her across that side. That our money. How would I men I here be? Make when no where at least only share a jeba treat ye ya do okay. Oh when you're one a propania jeba treat ye ya do okay. You got that? And many gugu and when you want no seeker, many when damn Nadia no yo.
It's shameful how issues like this sadden our citizens. The effective health systems in the Western world that are being patronized by our leaders exist because they were developed, constantly maintained through political commitment and visionary leadership. We urge our lawmakers to come up with a bill that will prohibit political office holders from seeking medical attention abroad. Please, help us suggest ways that we can solve this menace right here in our comment section below. Follow us on our social media handles displayed on the screen. For partnership and inquiries, contact us via our WhatsApp number. I am Chidimma Ubochi. Bye.